I just putting water in my corn and I clean up the grass. Look, my purple broccoli is good, growing nicely. Just imagine how very high my corn now. And I just putting water. I'm very happy with my corn. They say I have to wait for 3 months. But they had flower already. So, look. And that's my broccoli. Nice, growing nicely. And he likes the water.